What if you could master complex IoT concepts without risking expensive hardware? What if you could build, test, and perfect your projects virtually before investing in physical components? That's exactly what Teknubi offers. Teknubi follows a three-step approach that makes learning IoT intuitive and accessible to everyone. First, you'll learn the fundamental concepts through our expertly designed lesson. Next, build virtually using our interactive simulations that replicate real-world behavior. Finally, apply your knowledge by building physical projects with components you can purchase right here at our platform. So let's take a closer look at how this works in practice. So once you've signed in, you will click this button, Start Learning. Once you do that, it will direct you to the lessons page. On the lessons page, you can click on any lesson available. At the time of this recording, traffic light system is available. Once you click on the lesson, you'll see that each lesson begins with a clear introduction that explains what you'll learn and the components that you'll need. And also the lesson include a comprehensive video tutorial that walks you through each step of the project. You can follow along at your own pace, pausing and rewatching as needed. And then you can click on the Join Class button, and that's where you will be redirected to the Tinkercad circuit simulator. You will see this modal asking you to join either with a nickname, email, or Apple ID, Google, Microsoft, or Facebook. You can use any of the providers listed here. But for me, I'll join using the nickname for testing purposes. Go to the classes section, and then you'll see your class called Teknubi. Once the page loads, you'll be able to see a completed project. So you're going to delete that project and start over from scratch following the video tutorial. But first, let's explain how the layout looks like. So over here you have a canvas, and over on this side panel we have the components that you'll need, and you can drag and drop them on the canvas and then connect them up with the relevant components. And once you're done, click on the code section, write your code. Once you're satisfied with your code, you can click on the Start Simulation, and there you go. You'll see all the components working as expected. Now once you're done with your simulation, then we'll move to building the same thing using real hardware, just like this. But you can agree with me, this really doesn't look like a traffic light, right? Yes, it's smart, but we'll build even something better. Now this looks like a real traffic light. We have our timer at the bottom, we have the traffic lights at the top, and this is what you see on the roads, right? I'm sure you're wondering, where will I buy all this hardware? While if you go to teknubi.com and click on the shop section, you'll be able to buy all the components that you need to learn all the lessons that we'll have. So whether you are a student, educator, or a professional looking to expand your skills, Teknubi provides the environment that's perfect for learning electronics and learning how to code while you're at it. So are you ready to start your IoT journey? Visit teknubi.com today and sign up. Thank you for watching.